Inspired by the continuing success of pocket developments of residential townhouses, Banff Realty and Development Corporation commenced for yet another residential landmark to rise in Quezon City, the Regina Townhouse at AMOR. Hello future homeowners and investors. By the way, I'm Shane and I will be your tour guide for today here in the Regina Townhouse at AMOR. The Regina Townhouse at AMOR is located along AMOR Street in Hilltop Subdivision, Lagro, Quezon City. The townhouse envisioned to be an ideal residence to families who's currently looking for a peaceful and secured environment, especially in an urban setting. Strategically, the location is actually near the main road and conveniently accessible to an ongoing completion of a major railway transport system that could possibly provide you a faster and easier travel going through different or various destinations through the elevated services of MRT Line 7. In addition to that, the Regina Townhouse is offering you a convenient mobility. Like what I've mentioned earlier, no? Malapit lang ito sa main road, especially with the ongoing MRT Line 7. And there's also an easy access to education from which merong mga available private and public schools near the area, including medical health facilities, also leisure and lifestyle shopping malls like SM, Robinsons, and Ayala malls, and even public markets is available around the area. Okay, so we are now here at the Regina Townhouse at AMOR. So as you can see, it has a wide parameter and it's actually measured around 25 meters. And as you can see naman, no, isa sa magandang feature ng ating view dito sa the Regina Townhouse is yung landscape garden na at the same time nakakapagbigay din sa atin ng nature vibe. And one of the special feature that I will be showing you this time is yung main gate ng ating townhouse. This is automatic and then we will be using a certain remote control that a certain individual or homeowner will be using. So I have here a sample and then I will be demonstrating it to you. Now once you click the button here, it will automatically open. So as you can see, no, it's very convenient with you, especially kung meron kayong sariling sasakyan and you have to enter your place. Hindi na siya hassle sa inyo na bababa or magtatawag to open your gate or such. Now, isa din sa pinaka-special feature nitong main gate natin is yung safety sensory natin. Na kung saan if ever may mga kids tayo na accidentally natatawid, I will be demonstrating it to you, the safety measure of our gate. So right now, I already clicked the button para mag-close siya. And then, regarding dito sa ating safety feature, once I stepped here, the gate will stop. So it can prevent any accident. So see, it's very convenient and as you all know, no, it's very rare para sa isang townhouse ang magkaroon ng ganitong smart tech main gate na hassle-free para sa atin. Okay, so on the other hand, we have here naman our pedestrian gate. So kung yung main gate natin may sarili siyang special feature, right then yung pedestrian gate din natin meron siyang special feature. So as you can see here, merong available na mailboxes corresponding to every unit. So if ever may mga deliveries and yet walang tao sa ating unit, they can just leave it here. And at the same time, meron tayong audio-video intercom. So ito ang special feature ng ating pedestrian gate na kung saan merong available camera. So this can appear doon sa unit natin. And then at the same time, merong mga doorbells corresponding to each unit. And if ever naman na may mga visitors or may mga deliveries, they can just click the button here. So I can demo it. Yan. So yun yung maririnig nila, meaning they are calling you from the inside. And then once you click it again, the call will end. In addition to that, no, besides sa main gate natin having a remote control, itong pedestrian gate natin have also two features of keys. So we have a key card and then you can also enter your PIN code here. Just to demo, just tap it here. And then the gate will automatically open. So there. So welcome to Regina Townhouse. So we have here ang units ng the Regina Townhouse. So like what I've mentioned earlier, no, merong 12 units available dito sa the Regina Townhouse. And as you can see, the driveway is very wide. So it's actually 6 meters wide. So pwede kayong mag-park, mag-reverse ng car ninyo. So it's very flexible and convenient for you. So we have here an available car park for you. So any types of vehicles naman can fit here. Any car or sedan type of vehicle can actually fit here for your own convenience. Now let's proceed sa main door ng first unit natin here in the Regina Townhouse. So as you can see, this door is customized by the developer. And then for this main door, no, meron siyang 3 types of lock or special features ng main door. So we have here the fingerprint, and then you can also encode your PIN here. And at the same time, meron ding available na conventional keys. And anyway, those keys are provided to each unit owners or individuals na magsistay dito sa unit na to. So let's try to encode our PIN. So you can see how it works. So you'll just need to tap it here, and then encode your PIN. And then, so as you can see, no, it's very wide. And then this part can actually move. So that's how customized it is. So any big ref, TV, or any equipments can actually fit your house. Okay, so pagpasok nyo ng first unit natin, no, makikita natin how well ventilated, spacious, and you can see na naka-floor tiles na din. The interior and exterior of this house is painted na din. Now, as for the first part of this unit, no, makikita natin yung cozy living room natin. So as for this one, you can design your own for your living room. So you can put your television and then the sofa, and then a small center table can do. And at the same time, no, meron tayo ditong sliding window so that very freshen up yung environment natin dito sa loob ng bahay. Now, on the other hand, let's move on to our dining area and the kitchen. It's very spacious. And then, as for our dining room naman, it can actually fit like around 4 to 6 family members. So you can put a huge table here for your dining. And at the same time, no, meron din tayong see-through glass from to our carport. So it's on your own na din kung paano kayo magko-customize. Dito naman sa ating kitchen area, as you can see, it is an L-shaped type kitchen na kung saan meron tayong mga built-in cabinets and also a built-in gas range. And then, it's also spacious. And at the same time, you can also put a table here kung saan pwede kayo mag-prepare ng food ninyo or anything that you want for cooking. And then, like what I mentioned earlier, no, meron mga built-in cabinets here kung saan pwede nyo ilagay yung mga kagamitan ninyo, like the plates, yung mga kaserola, and such. Very well organized from the living room, the dining, and the kitchen. Now, isa sa pinaka-important part ng ating first floor is this part. So as you can see, no, you can own design here. This is a sliding door that leads to a powder room. So it's very convenient, especially kapag meron kayong mga guests na i-invite at home. So it has also an exhaust para hindi naman masuffocate yung tao sa loob. So it's very cute kasi nakaka-save siya ng space dito sa ating first floor, knowing na nasa baba lang siya ng stairs. Now let's proceed to our second floor. But before that, no, dito sa stairs natin, isa sa features niya is that the stairs is made out of wood, and then the handrails is made out of steel. So it's very nature vibe that can fit the vibe at home. So going here in our second floor ng ating unit, no, you can notice that we have high ceiling. So we also have wide walls na kung saan pwede kayong mag-decorate or maglagay kayo ng mga picture frames in your own preference naman. Since it's very spacious and to add a little spice sa ating bahay. Now, dito sa ating second floor, meron tayong 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and we also have a laundry area. So we have here first our common CR, from which meron siyang available na sink, and we do also have a water closet available. And then, meron din tayong optional na shower and curtain rod. So, it depends on you kung gusto nyo maglagay ng ganitong accessories. And then, at the same time, no, meron din tayong available na mga sockets that you can use kung gusto nyo mag-blower or mag-iron ng hair nyo, that you can do here in your common CR. Now, for the second part of our second floor, we have here our laundry area. Okay? So as you can see, no, it's very spacious kung saan pwede kayo maglagay ng sarili ninyong washing machine or sampayan. Because as for this one, meron din kasing mga available sockets that you can use. And then also, isa sa special part ng ating laundry area is we also have our fire escape or exit here for your own safety or if ever merong mga certain emergencies na nangyari. So, it's a good thing that we also have a space like this para very convenient when it comes to laundry or if ever kailangan ninyong maglinis ng bahay na magmamop and such. So, you can do it here. Now, let's proceed to our bedrooms. So, for the first bedroom, we have here, there. So, as you can see, no, first bedroom pa lang, you can easily say that it's very spacious, from which pwede kayong maglagay ng isang double-sized bed. And then we also have here a built-in closet for your clothes and for your other stuff. And then we also have here a wide windows that you can open if ever gusto nyo mag-freshen up and for ventilation na din ng room. And then at the same time, meron din tayo ditong provision for the aircon, available socket. And if ever in your own option naman, you can put a table here para if ever you have work or a study table for your kids. So it's your own option naman kung ano yung klaseng mga accessories or furniture ang ilalagay nyo dito sa inyong room. Now, for the second room, we have here. Okay, so this is nice, especially for your kids. Since we know that kids have their own toys or may marami silang kagamitan, they can put their stuff here. So dito, merong double-sized bed. You can organize or even a double deck can do kasi very spacious naman yung kwarto. And then, you can also put a table here for your, siguro for lamp or if ever may alarm clocks kayo and such. And then, we also have here a built-in cabinet for your clothes, a study table, and then we also have here wide windows. So, as you can see, isa sa best feature ng mga kwarto is their spaces, and you can maximize it with your own accessories or furniture. And lastly, isa sa pinakamagandang place dito sa second floor is our master's bedroom. Okay, so we have here our third room, which is our master's bedroom. There. So, as you can see, no, one of the best thing here, it's very spacious, okay? Pwede kayong maglagay dito ng isang queen-sized bed. And then, at the same time, pwede kayong maglagay ng konting furniture like a side table with lamp. So, it's up to you kung ano yung gusto nyong design or furniture here in your room. And at the same time, isa sa pinakamagandang feature nitong master's bedroom is meron siyang sliding door for our balcony. And from here, you can see the townhouse complex. So it's very cute, especially for our families na, you know, gustong pagkagising sa morning, they wanted to see some sunlight and to freshen up. So it's a good thing na meron tayong ganitong feature sa loob ng room. Then, isa naman sa magandang feature nitong master's bedroom is itong customized walk-in closet. No? So, as for this one, you can put your shoes here. And then you can also put your stuff here, especially yung mga hanging clothes. And then meron ding available na cabinets here. So it's very useful for you and convenient pagdating sa mga kagamitan ninyo. Now, isa din sa feature ng ating master's bedroom is our comfort room, from which meron tayong makikitang shower area. So, meron siyang accessories na din, like the water closet, and then the sink, and then at the same time, lahat ng master's bedroom ng the Regina Townhouse ay merong available na heater for the shower. So there, yun yung mga special features ng ating master's bedroom, wherein we have our balcony, and at the same time, we have our walk-in closet, and also our comfort room. And that's it. But just to summarize our unit for today, so we have here 3 bedrooms and 2 toilets and baths available on the second floor, and we also have 1 powder room on the first floor. Now, just to describe you our unit corner lot, so it's actually measures for 79 square meters lot area and 132 square meters floor area. So it's very conventional and very convenient for you and for your family. Now, for the total contract price of this unit, it amounts 9,477,000, and there's also 20% down payment that amounts 1,822,000. And then there's also a balance of 80%, 7,286,000. And for the bank financing for 15 years, monthly amortization, it amounts 60,504 pesos. Now, it's very optional for you that the Regina Townhouse offers you various units that has various sizes or lot areas and floor areas.